You ever start getting just down? Things aren't going well, or you're just not feeling right, or you find yourself angry with the television or the news or the drivers around you. Lately you've just been really grouchy. Do you ever feel, or if you ever look back to it and notice that you do that a lot? That oftentimes you can sound really negative or be really negative all the time? Well, it's a natural thing, and in today's world, negativity is everywhere. And the more you're around it, the easier it is to just fall into it. I mean, without negativity, I don't know what would be happening half the time. There's so much negativity on television, on radio, in newspapers. It seems that that's the stuff that draws us in. But then we end our days with just being upset or angry or and then what do you got? Okay, that kind of stuff doesn't usually help you to grow, and it certainly doesn't create a happiness around the kind of business you do or the kind of DJing you do on a regular basis. What I would suggest is start recognizing that negativity is around you all the time, and that it latches itself onto and creates a negative talk for yourself. Okay, you want to get out of that negativity. You're way more attractive when you're positive. People want to be around you when you're positive, right? So there's a couple things you can do. When you recognize it's happening, switch it, okay? Let's just get rid of the negativity and let's talk about how positive things are. How's your day today? Well, it's all right. Today, man, it was really hard. How about it's great? Life, I'm alive. Today is amazing. I woke up, I got dressed, I smell good, I didn't get in a car accident, life is good. Okay? Now, you want to have that in your life, you need to also surround yourself with positive people. Get rid of all the negative people in your life and start surrounding yourself with those positive people. Those people that are always happy. Those people that love things to happen and do well. Don't worry about everything having to be perfect. That negativity brings in on a regular basis because life is not perfect. It's never perfect. And then when you surround yourself with those people, creative ideas show up, things happen, you start to see the possibility of something amazing for your life, for your day, for the next hour, and you want to see your business move forward in a positive way, well, you need to start seeing how often you are negative. You can change this. It's just you have to recognize it. And if you're not recognizing it, maybe you find someone in your life who's willing to bring it up when you are, and then not being all negative when they do it. What do you think of this? Tell me what you think in the comments below, or check me out next week, Thursday, on the Creative License Podcast. And until then, bye.